Want to show off your education on Tinder? Here's how to add your college to your profile. First, open the Tinder app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Edit Profile. You can find it around your profile picture. Here, scroll down a little until you see School section. Tap on Add School. Now type in the name of your college or university. Select it from the suggestion and tap Save. Your college is now visible on your profile, helping you connect with like-minded people. If your college is not showing up, try typing in a different way or updating your Tinder app. And that's it. Your Tinder profile is now more informative. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.